Guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download how to open your software wallets, which is also called Solana wallet. So we're going to do it on our system, but you can do the same on your own mobile phone. So what you need to do is just follow the process. As for doing it on the system, then you just do it on your phone, either your Android phone or your iPhone. So it's the same process. So I'm going to show you my system now. I'm going to show you the camera for you to see how we're doing it. We're going to open our Solana wallet very easily. So guys, let's follow up. Now this is currently my system. Now let me show you what you need to do for the first time is, sorry, let me off this. Now what you need to do is, you can see, you go to your Google and search for Solana. So it's the same thing as soulshare.com. You can see soulshare.com. So once the opening is going to begin to this process, and next thing needs to do is come here to access wallet. Click on access wallet. If you're using your phone, just do the same. Once you click on access wallet, it's going to load and it's going to bring you directly to this place. Let's switch for it. So if you're using your Android phone, you do the same. If you're using an iPhone, you do the same. Just click on access wallet, or you click on access wallet, it's network. You can see it's been loading. So you wait for it to load finish. So now it has load finished. So now what you need to do is, if you look here, it's click on another new wallet, or you already have a wallet. So if you already have a wallet, just click on this. Or if you say you need a new wallet, so we're going to click on a new wallet now. So I'm going to click on this. Sorry guys. So you need to click on this, which is I need a wallet. So once you click on I need a wallet, so what you need to do is we need to copy this phrase down now. You can see, so I'm going to click on copy. You can see I've clicked on copy. So you now click on save my recovery phrase. Click on this. Once you click on this, you see you should paste it. Click on paste, and everything is going to paste. Click on allow. You can see you can see our save recovery phrase. Everything is being pasted. Just click on continue once you are done. So you click on recovery. Once you click on recovery here, and everything is continue, you can see. So now you have to set your password for your wallet. You can see, so I'm going to use this. Just use strong password. You can see I'm going to click on continue. So you can see it asks us to add the username here. So I'm going to put a username for my password now. You can see, so make sure you put your username that you remember. You can see. Then after that, click on add username. So now you can see your wallet is ready. So you see now. So I'm going to enter my Solana now for you to see. And this is it. I've completely, you can see I've completely create a Solana wallet. You can see. So you do the same. If you're using your phone, you do the same. Enter Solana. You can see this is it. Let's do it to reach finish. You can see this is very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. And witness for our next video. Thank you guys.